Namaste. Welcome to India Yoga online learning. We are exploring the Bhastrika Pranayama. It is also known as the bellows of blacksmith or breath of fire. It has plenty of benefits physically, mentally and emotionally, one of the powerful practice to do. It reduces the smooth muscle constriction and throws out the excess mucus in the respiratory tract, thereby effectively manages asthma, bronchitis and other respiratory related problems. For most people who are obese or overweight, getting up and doing the vigorous practice in the morning is difficult. So, this pranayama heats up the body and greatly prepares for them to do their intense practice to lose excess weight. Moreover, this dynamic pranayama increases the blood flow especially to the thorax and head, making it an ideal choice for people suffering from tension headache, shortness of breath, anxiety, depression, shorter tempo. Most importantly, when you bring your focus on the breath and work at the pranic level, all your negative emotion gradually disappears, leaving you with a great sense of clarity. With so many benefits, this pranayama also has certain limitation. We will discuss all at the end. Make sure to watch the entire video. Please don't mess with half information. Let us check the technique.
Sit in any meditative asana like Sukhasana, Vajrasana or Padmasana with spine straight and relaxed shoulders. If necessary, you can sit on a chair. Eyes remain closed. Watch the natural flow of breath. Make sure the mouth is closed and face is relaxed. As you actively inhale, raise your hands. And as you actively exhale, release your hands. Do it for 20 to 30 strokes. Note that the breathing mostly happens at the chest and clavicular level. Then stop and retain the breath as long as you can. Hold the breath with complete presence and do not force.
As we mentioned before, there are certain limitations with people having heart problem, high blood pressure, during menstruation, pregnancy, people suffering from epilepsy, vertigo, people having a frozen shoulder, back pain. They may work with less intense versions, only under a proper guidance. Just take a look how it can be practiced. As we inhale, smoothly and raise your hands. As you exhale, slowly release them. The breath and hand movements has to be smooth and coordinated. Do it around 15-20 strokes. Take a look. Once you finished, just watch that quietness. Breath stops for a few seconds. There is some warmness. Just experience it. This can be repeated around 3 to 5 rounds. To get a best result, to overcome all these problems, practiced before breakfast, before lunch and dinner. By doing this, there are a lot of other health issues also can be easily come out. Keep regularly a good practice that helps you to gain a lot more confidence. That's why in India Yoga we always say, learn right, practice consistently and find your way to happiness.